Dr. Vikram is a B.Pharm, M.Pharma and PhD in the pharmaceutical science with a vast experience of 18 years of the acute care, hospitals, teaching, industry experience. So Dr. Vikram is basically carrying very rich experience around the industry. If you really go through around, so he has all the experience about sitting on the table from the other side and this side. And then coming over here, he is Dr. V. Vikram is one of the known people around in the industry, in the pharmacy side, who always prefer to have the therapeutic values. It is not about only limitation about the products. So Dr. Vikram usually go through the therapeutic indications and therapeutic psychology. Then he has done the masters and PhD in the pharmacovigilance and then pharmacokinetics. So whenever we go to, he goes to the any product, he try to understand the scientific nature of the products. So that is the beauty to have Dr. Veer Vikram over here. So today we have an opportunity to listen him on the prospective buyer side. When we go and approach to any purchase head in the system, then what he thinks about and what we should we behave upon, or what should be our model to approach. Because Dr. V. Vikram has been to the system with one of the very prestigious and known hospital, DMCH, Danang Medical College. It's one of the very, very premium institution in the north. So he usually had been there into the 4 years as a purchase head. So he knows the psychological purchase behavior as well of the other side. Then coming to sir is currently associated with the head of the department of ISF College of Pharmacy, and he is still heading as one of the influencer in the market. Whenever whenever we launch something or we go with something, so he has a chain of the pharmacist and the chain of the influencer in the purchase head, where he always put the advisory. So thank you, Dr. Vikram, to joining us for the future. So
thank you, Dikshit, for this wonderful introduction. So before start this conversations, this is not a lecture. This is an interaction between Polymedians and Veer Vikram. So during this lock time, I just having some idea, like when fishermen cannot go to sea, what they will do? Naturally, they will repair their net. Same thing is happened to us. If we are not going to market, we are not selling our goods, what we will do? We will introduce our products to the pharmacy head doctors via net. So plan your walk and walk your plan. So first of all, I would discuss with Polymedians what I need if I work as a pharmacy head in a hospital. Firstly, establish contact and communication with the person who need the goods. If again, I would like to thank Neil Kamal Dogra, who provided me the opportunity few days back. He just called me, Dr. Vikram, you can interact our Polymedians if you have time. Naturally, I'm working as an associate professor in the Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy. And I completed my PhD in DMC Hospital, Ludhiana, under the kind supervision of Professor Sandeep Kaushal. So whenever I receive the call, because I have a relation with Neil Kamal Dogra, when he visit during my services time, he just communicate their product. And whenever I have got some problem regarding the communication regarding, I don't know about how to use this product, I always call to Neil Kamal Dogra, sir, you must come to my office and introduce your product to my pharmacist also. So every time he came to my office and just introduced their product and educate our pharmacists, our paramedical staff, nursing staff, even though the doctors also. So as a management, every management securing maximum result with minimum effort, so they have happiness both in employee and employers. So for that happiness, they require skill, knowledge, and develop a positive mental attitudes whenever interact any hospital pharmacy. So whenever a pharmacist interact with the marketing person, the marketing persons has to achieve the desired result. If you want to sell your product, you have just make some idea which product you will introduce in the hospital. First, if it is a multinational hospital, you must be introduce your bucket of product. If you introduce your product in particular disease hospital, like it's a GIT hospitals, or it's a cardiovascular hospitals, you introduce that product that are used frequently there, not to introduce your bulk of products. Thirdly, the company person should be know the items that be manufactured by the company. He has full knowledge about their product, and also forecasting their future problems, event, and appropriate course of actions to handle the problems and event. In one time, even though a small, you have respirometers, even though I have no knowledge, what is the role of these three balls? They have mentioned CC, but I just called to Neil Kamal Dogra and Gaurav. We just introduce about me or educate me what is the function of these balls, because we are on purchase side and we don't know the functions of that particular equipments. So he beautifully educate us, or even though one meeting, Mr. Atul just came to our hospital and introduced our pharmacy team also. So he has the responsibilities, and every medical representatives establish their relationship between the pharmacy head or pharmacist, because they have process to getting things to be done. They will guide and teaching the subordinates as regard the proper method of work. If you will not guide us, how can we introduce your product in our pharmacy? And another is the process of transforming the product from company into the hand of the consumer. Consumer means the patient. The patients required particular, or doctor required the particular product for a particular patient, and the doctor demand the products to pharmacy. And if the pharmacy person didn't know about the particular product, which companies manufactures, how can we supply the products to particular patients? So before purchasing, I just having introduced the 6R. I have choose that is 6R: right source, where I will purchase the good; right quality, how much quality I need; right quantity; right price. Price should not be go through beyond the pocket; at right time. Nowadays, if I required the particular respirometer, we can again example of respirometer. Respirometers nowadays used for lungs exercise, and this coronavirus days, exercise is important to patients who are on ventilators, who are indoor patients. And right time, now a time we require the particular product we need immediately, and right place of delivery. Even though sometimes we need the product in emergency pharmacy, and we call to the representatives, even though, sir, we require this product in our emergency pharmacy within 30 minutes. The persons who deliver the particular items in particular pharmacy, they just rang me, sir, this product is now available in our pharmacy, and we introduce that product to the particular patients or particular doctors. Before any material enters in the pharmacy, we have two methods. One is FIFO methods, another is LIFO methods. Another FIFO is first in, first out. Example, again, I took the examples. Now coronavirus, we have different type of mask, N95 masks that is available, that is for the doctors or the patients who are suffering with coronavirus, and simple masks for public. I will not introduce the simple marks to the doctors or the persons who are suffering with coronavirus until or unless I will follow the LIFO. That is last in first outcome. Means the product that is purchased immediately and given to immediately in particular situations, not we follow the FIFO rules. Another, when I was purchased the good, three methods I will just mention and I will educate my pharmacists also. First is maximum customer services. We will help our patients to provide them good medicaments and the goods items they have required. Second is minimum inventory investment. I will not add the maximum product in my pharmacy because to increase the budget of the pharmacy. Another is low cost. We will compare the product. As a medical representative, as a medical team, you must be know the competitor of yours product. Which product you have competitor. Even though I have just make one list last night, like spinal needles. Spinal needles are also manufactured by BD, Romson's. Blood transfusion set that is manufactured by B. Braun, Romson's. Until or unless we didn't know about our competitors, we can't do the best, we can't receive the good results. For my knowledge, I was working as pharmacy head until or unless I don't know if one product is available in my pharmacy. Again, example, spinal needles. Doctors require the spinal needles. BD and Romson is not supplied. If until or unless Polymed will not introduce the spinal needles to me, how I can know about this product is available. So I have made some competitors file. This product is available. This product is available from that company. This product is available from this company. So again, I have analyzed the formula, that is the ABC formula, always better control. In A, there is costly items. We have purchased 10%, the total budget. B, neither costly nor cheap, that is 20% of the total cost. And C is comparatively cheaper in cost. The 70% drugs are available in the pharmacy. Another, we have EQ formula, that is economic order quantity, means how much inventory to be orders. Means if I required, we have just taken 3-month data, 3-month data in our pharmacy, which product is sold maximum, and we have given the orders to the particular company. After that, we review slow and non-moving items that are not moving from last 3 months. We will just revert back to the company. Your product is not non-moving. Please, we will given back to your company also. Another is VED formula. That is the V stand for vital, E essential, and D desirable. Vital items like paracetamol is vital item, Disprin is vital items. Essential items, cardiac drug or stunt like we have given. And that is catheters, closed wound suction units. That is having different numbers. Desirable items. If we discuss about the polymedians, that is the IV set, spirometers, click clamp, micro drip set, they are the desirable items. So how will you promote your product? So every business want to earn maximum profit only through maximum sale. If your sale is high, you will get incentive also. So various techniques are used. One is advertise, publicity, and demonstrations. Then the objective for this purpose, you will introduce your product to the pharmacy head. Attract new customers. If any new hospital is startup, you will discuss with the purchase head about your product. Nowadays, different hospitals are started about they have started about the coronavirus hospitals. 100 bed hospitals, even Haryana's have just introduced 2 hospitals. You will interact and telephonically, sir, these products are used nowadays, and we will introduce these products in your hospital. And maintain old customers. This is again example from yourself. Neil Kamal Dogra having relations with me, he just called me to deliver, not deliver, to interact with the polymedians. That is, he has maintained their relationships. So what is the technique? You already know, having given the samples, free samples, coupon, even bonus offer. If the pharmacy had purchased these amount, these type of items, one free items is given, and you introduce your product by small videos also. So these type of working I have done for you peoples also. So even though the different product that is produced, that is manufactured by the polymedians, like spinal needles, ETT tubes, blood transfusion sets, CV manometers, catheters mount, ET tubes, extension line, Foley catheters. These information I have collect few days back with my sources, and who are the competitors that I have also checked. If you have any queries, any related, we can discuss here. And this is the basic knowledge about the product. My main target is, if you introduce any product in the pharmacy, you must be known about the product. Or if you introduce your product in a hospital, multinational hospitals, you will introduce your bucket of the product. Or if you interact with some particular department, you will interact only emphasis on particular that product. Or if I say, if you interact with the today ventilator is very ventilator shortage is going on, you will interact with the pharmacy head about the particular items that are available or that are consumables during ventilations patients. You will also introduce your product to the department. Yes, Mr. Dikshit, if you have inquiries, if you have any queries, we will interact with the polymedians.
Thank you, doctor, especially the way you have taken the entire journey through 7 hours and wait. It was really interesting to have the understanding about the other part of the table. The important thing is that I just would like to know how is the way we sell the product, and then we sell it through the clinically engagement.
Mm-hmm.
How come it plays a very important role? If suppose we sell the product on the price, or it's important to sell the product in the clinical way, or more clinically educated. So how we can drive the better value from the hospitals or maybe pharmacies?
If I talk about the DMC hospital where I was always need some literatures, clinically importance about the product, not for the pricing. Pricing is the another portions that is looked after by the CA. And as a expert from pharmacy background, I will look after how this product is utilized in hospitals and what is its clinical importance. I have given, there is no shame for me if I don't know the working of respirometers. I just, whenever I received this product, I have just called to Mr. Dogra, sir, what is the difference between these three balls and what is the function of these three balls? And he explained very quietly. And after that, we have just interact with all pharmacists that are working in hospital by a small seminar that was delivered by Mr. Atul. So this type of working was going on in hospitals and clinically important for the both company side as well as pharmacy sides.
Right, the way you are connected with the different pharmacies around in the societies. So, what is the best way to get connected to those societies? What is the best way?
So society, pharmacist has the major role. That is, he is a key chain between doctors, patients, and pharmacist educate. Doctor has no time to even though discussion about with the patients. And when a patient came to our pharmacy, and pharmacist has interact, he can discuss with the patients about the medicament also. And the pharmacist patient counseling nowadays very common, and patient counseling is done by the pharmacist also, even though in abroad. I visit in different countries, and where I was just seeing the pharmacies, they have given to the 7 minutes to the pharmacist for patient counseling. If pharmacist not satisfy the patients for these 7 minutes, one stamp is mentioned on his certificate, unsatisfactory pharmacist. So in that purpose, pharmacists introduce about the product, pharmacist interact with the patient. You should take these medicines. How to, if again, if use any items, any surgical items that are used by physically, how it can be introduced and how it can be used. So this is the difference. So pharmacists play a major role in publicly also, and interact with the doctors, patients, and company representatives.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for solving my queries. Any question from team? Dr. Vikram is open for the questions. Any question from team?
No, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is Atul. Atul this side.
Yeah.
I just wanted to have one query. Would like to have one opinion from Dr. Veer Vikram. Like healthcare is changing, especially more number of insurance patients are coming to the hospital. The penetration of insurance is increasing day by day. So, which is creating some pressure on the purchase side, just to explore the options which are economical better with decent quality. So I just wanted to know, like, how do you see the opportunity for the companies like Polymed going ahead in next 5 years? Because we manufacture a product with decent quality at par with any multinational. And since we are make in India company, so our products are commercially better in comparison to any multinational product. So how do you see from the customer side, from the healthcare provider side, how do you see what kind of opportunities are there going ahead in 5 years for the companies like Polymed?
Good question, Atul. In future, the polymedians, mostly every person's having insurance policies, and he just utilize their insurance. And even though any product, polymedians has quality. One quality that is, they have introduced their product. Not they have just one time they introduce their product and they have finished their job. Even though until or unless you can make some small videos in one hospital, in Hoshi Hospital in Myanmar, I visit there, and I just met with some medical representative. They are working in that particular hospitals. They having some small videos like how this instrument will be worked. That is only 2 or 3 minutes videos. They just shown me, because I came from the India, and some language problem also there. So they just introduced me, sir, this is our product, this is the working conditions. So whenever I see this product, that product, particularly I met with the pharmacy head there, and the pharmacy head, they having some WhatsApp group for their pharmacists. They introduce immediately that product to their pharmacy. This is the process, how to use this product. And because in India, the counseling is not important. We are not doing counseling frequently with the patient, expect multinational hospitals. But in foreign, they have doing these type of activities with the patient also. So the scenario is that for polymedians, for introduce their product frequently, they have full knowledge about their product. If any queries raised by the doctors or pharmacy head or pharmacist, they will just helpful to the particular paramedical staff, about their product, how to introduce, how to use, what is the beneficial to the patient, and why your product is better than others. For 5 years, you can increase your sale also. You can also check the data for in 2014, I think so the data will go higher as compared to other companies. When I was there as a pharmacy head, because there is interaction between Polymedians and DMC hospital. We have just checked this product is available. We call to the company representative, please introduce your product, or just available these product in our pharmacy, and educate our paramedical staff. Because doctor just written some prescription, this product is required. Again, until or unless my paramedical staff didn't know about this product, how we can deliver that product to the particular patients. Otherwise, your competitor will, you are working in hospitals, you are introducing your product to the doctors, but the peoples who are working, the peoples who are your competitor, they will got the benefit. So this is the scenario. You can introduce your product to the hospital pharmacists, not only doctors, but medical staff also.
Doctor, this is Ravi from Chennai, Zonal Manager for Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So when you change a product in the hospital, so what are the things you look when you want to change a product?
Your voice is not clear, Ravi. You can again queries, please.
So what I was asking is, when you change a product in an hospital, example an IV set, so what are the things you look into?
Like, until or unless your team will not introduce your product and why your product is better than others, how I can know about your product? So again, example, we say IV set. IV set is manufactured by 3 or 4 more companies as compared to Polymed. IV set, if I want to purchase IV set, in my hospital, we have comparison list. IV set is manufactured by this company, this company, this company. If Polymed give me a better, again questions, if you introduce some rates, like in my hospital, that is the 1600 bed hospital. And if you raise some quotations to the hospital, provide me the best rate. So because we are comparing the rate. Another, you should also educate me or my pharmacist why your product is better. First, as a clinical portions, I always see the technical part. Second, I see the rate. If rate is comparable, definitely your product will be shifted to pharmacy as compared to the others, competitors.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Doctor, I have one question. Right now, the uncertainty is there in the hospitals. So medical representatives and medtech, representatives are not allowed in the hospital right now.
Yeah.
Because of COVID-19 effect.
Yeah.
So how do you think so that introduction of the new technology in the coming days, how it is going to be, new ventilator kit has come, if you remember, new ventilator kit with the 4 different parts and lots of new things are coming up. So how we can be attractive without visiting the hospital?
So we can see the today example. You invite me, I just don't shave, I make up myself, introduce myself to Polymedians. You can interact with the executive, you have a relation with the doctors, paramedical staff, you have introduced your product via telephonically. And nowadays in WhatsApp group, 4 people can interact one time. And like I interact with my foreign students, I have given some times to my foreign students. Like today, I already convey the message to my students. I am busy 11:30 to 12:30 with Polymed company. So they have just queries, and we should interact with the pharmacy peoples, paramedical staffs, doctors on this type of internet, via internet, and introduce the particulars. Now in these days you can introduce the product that are used in ventilators, and every pharmacy had required particular product because patients are shifted to ventilators due to the cardiac problems, and COVID-19 will occur to the respiratory system, chest, and the patients who are having these problems, they are just shifted to ventilators. You can introduce your product, doctor or pharmacy head. This product is available with Polymed, and if you require this product, we will supply immediately, and discuss with your stockist also, they can supply or not.
Thank you, sir. Any question from team?
Yeah, Arijit here. Hi, Abhinav.
Hi, doctor.
Yeah. Dr. Veer, thank you for the presentation. Thank you for the discussion. I think a lot of information, very useful. I look after medical affairs, so I have basically two questions. One is that you spoke about 6R strategy. I mean, the approach is 6R. So is there any weightage that you give to each of those R's? Because now we see with increasing price pressure, I think the R with the right price will dominate over others. One. That second follow-up question is that, do you have any formal interactions with the end users, for example, a doctor or a nurse, wherein, you know, you exchange your ideas, for example, your consideration for a product basis the technical understanding of what the product does versus what the end user wants? So do you have any sort of formal arrangement, or there is, you know, a monthly meeting where you get to sit and discuss both perspectives? I mean, the one sort of from a purchase point of view, you are sort of working with different companies and trying to make the product available to the end user, where the end user is expecting some type of products which is good for the patient. So do you have any sort of formal processes in which you can exchange these perspectives? So basically, again, two questions. Weightage on R's, the 6R process. The second is that, are there any formal meetings which you do with the end users?
So, right, sir. First, 6 R's I have just given idea because before any product entered in our pharmacy, we have just having R, because I have purchased this product from a right sources. It's a not in black market. Or example, I have given some example like insulin. Insulin injections are available in a very cheapest rate in the market. And even though they have not providing the cold chain, they are easily available, very less amount. So first I know about these product is available, who is the authorized stockist, where I will purchase the goods. Another, you have questioned right price. Definitely, if you have given me the quotations about your product, which amount, which product is particular, which price, I will compare to the company, yours competitors also. Another is I will check why Polymed product is better than other, that you will introduce me. Yes, your product is better than others. How it's helpful to the patients. So then I will not look after the price. I will just check the quality. What is the quality? And another that is important is your product is delivers at right time, because we are handling every time emergency. Hospital is the place where everybody came with sorrow, sadness, not came for any happiness. So we have always deal with that type of situations. Like, one is your product will delivers at right time, right place, right quality. Your product has right quality, and with the particulars you have given about your stockist, we will purchase only the goods from the sources you have given us. This is the yours authorized stockist. You can purchase the good from our authorized stockist. We will orders to the quality, even the quantity to particular persons. Pricing is the second option. First is quality. We will not compare the qualities with any things because we have dealing with the life of the patient. Second, your queries was, I think so, product versus.
So basically, the second question was more about, so basically, where I'm coming from is that, the end user who is practically going to use it hands-on on a patient. Say, for example, let's consider a nurse who is using an IV cannula, and there are 3 or 4 different manufacturers who make IV cannulas. So the nurse finds that a particular type of cannula avoids certain complications or is more safe because the nurse has a different set of technical expertise.
Yeah.
All right. So they have certain, some preferences with regards to, a particular usage of a product versus someone of us like Polymed or any other company would make a representation at the pharmacy and say if there is a video, there is something, but is there any, and then you are also considering some things like factors like price, quality, etc. from your side also, but then those technical parameters, because those things are only the nurse and the end users will know. I mean, those are very subtle things, very fine things, which the end user will know, because broadly everything will appear same on paper. Yeah, it is a drip set, it has this port, that port, etc., etc. But the finer details, the feedback of which can be availed at the end user level. So my question was that, do these two groups, these two departments, they come together on a regular basis to discuss their perspectives on what is available in the pharmacy? Say, for example, in the pharmacy, there are 4 different cannulas. So is there a set process wherein the pharmacy team and the end user representatives, they come and sit together in a forum to discuss which one they should go ahead? Do they, do they revise these decisions from time to time?
I already discussed FIFO and LIFO formulas. If I have first in first outcome or last income first outcome, if in my pharmacy I have particular product, again example IV cannulas from different brand that is available in my pharmacy. Suppose that brand I have 1000 IV cannulas, and Polymed introduced the product like IV cannulas, and product is better than others. I will introduce my paramedical staff in those LIFO and FIFO, because we have handled both, because we have look after our inventory also, we look after the product also. So you introduced, because Polymedian already doing this type of activities to interact with the nursing staff also. They have given some lectures to the nursing staff how to use their product. If your product, if I got the feedback from the nursing staff, this product is better than the previous, definitely we will shift to your product, and till we have good much better result than the previous, we will shift at your product as compared to the yours competitors. First is you will introduce your product via lectures, via small videos to the nursing staff, so you can introduce your product frequently and make relations, so your product got a higher positions as compared to the others. So this is the method, I think so.
Thank you for the clear answer. I think it's very clear that basically you actually rely on the end user feedback to make decisions.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, doctor. I'm Hemant Bhalla this side. I have met you quite some time back in DMCH along with Neil and Gaurav.
Right.
taking a clue from your point, like from where you started saying like in today's scenario, when the fisherman cannot go to the sea, what he will do?
Yeah.
He said that he will repair the net.
Net, yes.
And the same thing, that is what we are doing here.
Yeah.
When we are not able to move out, we are connecting with the eminent speakers like you and acquiring and gaining some knowledge, one, and we are also using the platform to train our team by providing the features, the benefits, the anatomy, physiology, and all those things. Why I'm taking this, like in your opening remarks, you mentioned like it is very important to establish contact and communication, and which was followed by saying that you should have full knowledge about your product. So I'm taking some of the clues, whatever you have mentioned over here, so that I can get connected with the team, and wherein I can tell to the team, like you very rightly you mentioned that you should also educate the purchase person, and lot many times you name Neil and Gaurav, wherein you said that how this polysizer works and what are the 3 balls, what are the functions, and they educated you. So I want to connect with the team over here is like, whenever we are interacting with any of the people in the purchase department, it is not, yes, it is that we have to talk about the pricing part of it, but more than that, we can always tell what are the advantages of the product, so that we are able to bring some USPs on the table, other than the pricing part of it. So it is very important that whenever we talk to a purchase person, we also talk about what are the benefits of the product, not only about the price. And you also very rightly mentioned that know your competitors. It is very important. So that is again I want to tell to the team. And one very important point which you highlighted, and where the opportunity lies for us in today's scenario is when government is dedicating few of the hospitals as COVID-19. If we are able to map those hospitals, one, and if then we are able to go and connect with the purchase person and talking about our product, that is Polysizer, because there where the opportunity lies, because it is a lung exercise and which is very much required in today's scenario. So my request to the team is that if in your respective areas, if you are able to identify such hospitals which have been earmarked as COVID-19, and if we are able to connect with the purchase person over there, and if we are able to talk about our products, especially Polysizer, maybe other than ventilator tubings or the splitter which we have developed, maybe like it gives us an opportunity, one, and second, maybe we can send some videos like you were mentioning, like we can send the videos if you are not able to meet them in person. So just took some clue, like whatever you shared with us, so that I can talk to the team. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Wallace, and thanks for even though 2 days back I just having some idea, and I have prepared myself. Today I have planned how to interact with Polymedians. I have laptop, even though blackboard with me, laptop with me, everything. I plan myself how to interact with Polymedians. So this is my advice to Polymedians. You have, again, work your plan and plan your work. Plan your work and work on your plan. So plan करो, उसके बाद उस plan के ऊपर work करो. That is the important for all of us.
Thank you, sir. It has you have given a wonderful insight to us that and then it has been wonderful listening you to a different dimension of the industry. So thank you very much, sir. And I am still open for the question from the team. Any question from the team?
No, sir.
Right. So I would like to extend my thanks and regards to the Dr. Vikram on behalf of Polymedicure. And it has been wonderful listening to you and taking the guidance, and had an opportunity to learn something more from you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you